Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial using the Alexa Persico Cosmetics HD pigments that I shared with you guys in my second indie brand series. I featured them, I swatched them, I reviewed them for you guys. If you did not watch that, I will link it up here in the iCards. But today I did use one of her pigments in my look, and this is what came out. I really like how it turned out. I think it looks very bright and sunny, which is what I was going for. So if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Hello my friends, so I have another tutorial for you guys. I'm featuring another indie brand. I'm sure you guys have seen the review and swatches of this brand that I am going to show you a look with. Also with this brand, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. So we're going to use this little baby. I don't know what we're doing. I have no idea, but let's figure it out together, shall we? Let's start out with this color right here on the edge. This pinky one right here. I think I'm gonna start that out as my base. I already have primer. Most of it, my face is done. You guys know I do that just off camera, and I put a little bit of powder under my eyes just to catch all the fallout if there's any. I'm gonna put this here. Now I have an idea in mind, but let's see if it pans out, because I don't know. I don't know, my friends. I do apologize if I do sound a little bit nasally or congested. Today's the first day out of about 4 days that I have felt better as far as filming because of my allergies. Allergy season is here. And I completely forgot to buy this vitamin that I normally would have taken to help with my allergies, and I got really bad this past time because I had to help outdoors to set up the house for an open house. So that's what I get for not listening to myself. I think I grabbed too big of a brush, so let me find something else. Here we go. I'll grab this one instead. Let's see if I could blend this out. Now we're going to go into this brighter pink right here. Oh, that yellow. I'm not going to do the yellow. Everyone and their mom's doing yellow. Which I already did a yellow look, but I wanted to do a different one, but that's okay. So I'm going to pack this on here and kind of concentrate here. See how that's more pink than this one? This was like a little bit more purple. We're going for a theme here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. Yes. That original brush, I'm just gonna help this out here. I know this may look a little bit cuckoo, but trust me, every look looks a little bit crazy before it gets better. I'm going to use my glitter glue, and for the pigment of the day, we're going to use the Alexa Persico Cosmetics HD pigments, which you guys will probably seen the whole entire shebang. Her most popular color is Serendipity, so that's the color I wanted to use today so you guys can see that in action. Since it is her most popular one, that's the one I wanted to use. I have seen people do a coral, like I wanted to do a coral look with this one, but I think pink will look really nice. So I'm gonna put the glitter glue down, and then we're gonna pack this on. I'm gonna grab a small mirror so I can really see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna use my finger for this. So I'm just gonna grab it with a different finger and just pack it on. Now I'm going to blend out the edges with that same brush, that little small brush. I'm just going to blend out these edges just to make it look a little bit more put together. I think I want to grab a little bit of this coral right here and just blend it out ever so lightly on top of that pink, just to kind of like tie everything together. I'm just going to wipe off. Now the same thing I did on the top, I'm going to do at the bottom. I'm going to start out with this color right here, and then we're going to go to this one right here, and then this color right here. But I'm going to try to not blow it out too low. All right, so I'm debating between purple or blue in the waterline. Ooh, should I go with the blue or should I go with the purple? Oh, either one will do. I think I'm gonna go with the blue, just because. So I'm gonna put this in my waterline. This is just a chubby pencil from Milani. It's called Aquatic Style. I'm not even sure if this color is available in it, but I know Remo has one. L'Oreal may have one. So there's a bunch of just chubby sticks wherever you can find a chubby stick says blue. So I'm gonna put this in my waterline. There we go. Ooh. Let me just blend out that little bit on the bottom lash with nothing else on the actual brush. So I'm not going to do a wing liner, but I am going to just put a black line here for lashes. I'm going to do my mascara and then lashes, and then I'm going to come back so we can finish the rest of the face together and you can see the final look. All right, so we have our lashes down, and I actually like these lashes a lot. I didn't think I would, but I kind of do. Now for blush, I'm going to use my Quo Peach Perfect blush. It's not too corally, but it's just enough, so I'm going to use this. And for highlighter, I'm going to use my Lancome Glow for it. And I think I'm going to use this center one right here. So I'm going to try this one. I haven't tried it yet. For the inner corner highlight, I want to go into my Aurora Glow Kit because I love this thing. And I'm going to use Luna, which is right here, this dark gold color. And I'm going to put this in my inner corner. That is very, very pretty. I love this palette for inner corner highlighting. For lips, as you guys know, I'm going to use my Wicked lip liner, and then I'm going to use this one, which I don't think I've ever used. It's this Buxom Wildly Whipped Soft Matte Lip Color in the color Centerfold. So I'm going to pick both of these because I don't have a bright coral with me. I guess I didn't bring one in here. So this is what we're going to do for lips today. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of like this. I feel like the 80s, but in a good way. Like, I don't feel like I'm too much. I hope not, at least. As I've always said with any of my colorful looks, take what you are comfortable using. If only you are comfortable using the blue in your waterline, run with it. A little bit of color, trust me, will make you happy. I love anything colorful. It just makes me it just puts me in a good mood. So I love how this turned out. It's very vibrant, but it's different, and I love it. I really love how this turned out. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.